Hi, this is Vanessa. This is a quick tutorial on how to work the backwards loop cast on. So the backwards loop cast on is usually worked in the middle of your project. So here's a little sample that I have of just stockinette stitches, and usually you want to add that to, it's when you need to cast on at the end of your row in the middle of your work. So right here is my working yarn. So all you need to do is twist your yarn and place a loop on your needle. Okay, you can either, so I just grab and twist and pull in, but if you want to, you could try holding it, using your thumb to twist it, and then place the needle in that way. Okay, I'll show you that again. Hold your yarn and then use your thumb to sort of twist it, and then place the yarn in from the back. Okay, or you could pick it up this way and twist it, so kind of like this, twist, place it in. You just want to make sure that the working yarn is going over and back through this area right here, so that it's catching it and securing it. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You just twist and place it on your needle for as many stitches as your pattern is instructing you to cast on. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe.